So I already started the night before filming the intro with the gauge and it looks very good. I did very well. And I think now I'll already start with the ribbing of the sweater because I just want to get started. Tomorrow I have time to film decently, so let's get started, I guess. Hi guys, and welcome to this new fun video. In this video I will be making the bokeh sweater designed by Marzia and published by We Are Knitters, and I'm going to give a little review about it in this video. I am Hippie or Eva and I'm a YouTuber. I try to post a video once a week and I do all kinds of artsy content like illustration, crochet, and now also knitting. I don't have a lot of experience with knitting, by the way. The only thing I have knitted before, well, excluding my teenage years, was another sweater actually also designed by Marzia through her brand May Accents or My Accents, and it kind of failed a little bit and I didn't even wear it when it was done. But that was a sweater that I did. It turned out being very wide because I actually adjusted the pattern a little bit. And then another thing I knitted was this pillow cover. And that's all the experience I have. So first I'm going to talk a little bit about Marzia. I've known her for a very long time because I've been watching her YouTube videos since I was about 13 or 14, and actually the sweater you saw earlier in this video that I've been wearing, I actually bought that when I was about 14 years old because I got influenced by a video of Marzia wearing that sweater. She wore it in the white version. I very weirdly still remember that, and then I bought that sweater, and back then it was very oversized, so now that I'm 26, it still fits me, so you know, I'm not throwing it away. It's still a fabulous sweater. I am a very big Marzia stan. Like, I've been following her online for such a long time and I've seen her grow, and I'm such a big fan of her business that she had. My Accents, she made so many nice products. I was such a big fan, and I also really love her personal style. She's like a style icon. So that's also why I was very influenced by this project to buy it and to make it myself, because I just love Marzia, her style, so much. Yeah, I just mean she is like a very big idol to me. I don't want to sound creepy, but I just really appreciate her and I'm such a big fan of her. So I'm very excited to be making this video and this sweater and to give an honest review. So this kit that I bought is from We Are Knitters. You might have heard from it before. I've heard of them through Marzia, her account, because she promoted the kit that they made. And I will talk a bit about my experience with ordering the kit and like first impressions and stuff like that. So actually Evuct, my boyfriend, ordered the kit for our 6-year anniversary and it arrived quite quickly. It's also located in Europe, which is very good for me because that means no customs since I live in Belgium. It arrived very quickly, and also on the website they have like custom translations according to where you live. At least it translated to Dutch when I was on their website, and that can be handy if you're maybe not that good in English, for example. I mean, yeah, a very organized website. I had a very good first impression. I want to talk a bit about the sizing though, because I got the biggest size, which is extra large, and I feel like maybe they aren't super size inclusive because I'm a little bit chubby but not super chubby. So I think they might be able to work on that a little bit, because all they have to do is like include a few more skeins of yarn and add a few more text in there instruction bundle, so I don't think it's that much work to include a bit more sizes. That's just one of my thoughts I had about the sizing. I already had the biggest size, which is very common for me in fast fashion stores and stuff like that, but I would expect from a more indie brand to also pay attention to maybe even bigger sizing. You could also choose the individual colors for your sweater, and the colors for the sweater that Marzia designed I really liked, but a few of the colors were already out of stock, so I choose the next best colors. We also purchased the kit when it was on sale. I actually looked on their website today and they're having a sale again, so I guess they have sales quite often, which is very good news. I think I ordered the kit for around 80 euros. Well, Eva had to also buy a crochet hook so that we could get free shipping. But I think that's about the price we paid. So what is in the kit? I'll try to look for the video from when I first opened the kit, so I'll show it to you now. What is this? Oh my god. Oh my god. This is all the wool. Here are needles. So not sewing needles, knitting needles.
Amazing needles.
Amazing needles. I have a lot of wool. Oh my god, it's so soft. I think it's real. It's definitely real wool. Oh my god, these are the instructions. Wait, what? I don't know what's in here then. Oh my god, it's like a little book.
Open it.
Oh my god, that's so cool. Wait. It's a
tag.
Sewing needles. And stickers. Amazing. This is like the best unboxing ever. Okay, that's everything. Oh, whoa, amazing. I love it. So that's everything that's in the kit. I actually really like the wool. It's really soft, and I don't usually use wool because I actually prefer acrylic because wool isn't super ethical, but in this case the wool was just included in the kit, so I was like, okay, I'll just use the wool. And also I'm very scared to put wool in the washing machine. Acrylic yarn also isn't super sustainable either, but I don't know, I just don't want to get into that argument because it's a bit much. And I want to talk about the wool a little bit. It's really nice quality. It's super soft. The only thing I dislike about this wool a little bit is that you can very easily poke through the yarn with your needle, so you have to kind of pay attention that you don't poke through it, because then the yarn will split and that's a bit messy. I'm going to talk a bit about the instructions now. I've actually already started knitting. You probably saw it in the beginning of this video, and I first read through the instruction manual and I highlighted a few things. I think the instructions are very clear. You also have tutorials on their website with basic like stitches you have to do. Now I've already been knitting for quite a while. I think I have been knitting for maybe 7 hours or something, maybe 8 hours. And this is what I have so far. I'm actually racing through this project. I'm expecting this project to last me about 2 weeks, but if it would take me less, then that would be even better. But now I'm working on the back panel. I already reduced the stitches for the armholes. And yeah, it's just a very pleasant experience. I just want to keep knitting. Today I've knitted quite a lot, and now I just want to get this intro done so that I can continue knitting. The needles are very nice too. I'm not very experienced with knitting needles, so I can't really give a decent review, but they work like they are supposed to. No, I think that was everything I needed to say for this introduction. For the rest of this video, I will work on the sweater and hopefully finish it. And then at the end, I'll give a final review so that you're informed. So far, I have a very good experience with them. It's just very handy that everything comes in a kit with written instructions. And yeah, I'm very excited. I'm wearing my homemade cardigan today that I made in last video and I feel super cute. Today I'm going to go to the library to knit a bit there. And first like have some lunch and stuff in the city. Yeah, I'm going to take my knitting supplies with me. I'm going to take the bus now. Guys, I have flowers here. They are not for me, they're for my mom because we're going tomorrow for her birthday. These flowers are so beautiful. Hello guys, I'm here with a quick update. I didn't film a lot lately because yesterday it was a family gathering. Today it's Friday and I'm going to show you where I'm at so far. Today I finished up the sleeve part, but there were some kind of mistakes in the instructions because I followed everything they told me to do, and then they said at the end you should have 32 stitches, but I have 15 stitches, so I sent them an email about it asking if I did something wrong. Also, the sleeve looks extremely small. I have quite chunky arms because I'm extremely muscular, of course. And I'm a bit concerned if it will fit around my arm. Here are the other things I've done. Here's the front. I still have to embroider it though. Here is the back. And the instructions, like on the website, it said that this project should take about 35 hours to make. And I think I've been working on it for about 20 hours or something. It has not even been a week and I'm almost finished. So I'm very confused as to why this project is going so fast, especially because I'm very slow. All my crochet projects last me more than a month to do, and this will probably be finished in a week or a week and a half. But yeah, I'm still really enjoying this kit. I'm a bit confused about those sleeve instructions, so I really hope they reply quite fast because I already started with the other sleeve. I just tore this apart from the needle, so I'll have to fix that. But I already started with the second sleeve. Guys, I'm back with another update. I just went to the grocery store and the people from We Are Knitters responded to my mail. They actually responded very quickly and I had a nice conversation with them. And it appears that I did do something wrong, but it's not their fault. I'll have to redo the whole pink part because I did something wrong at the first row here with increasing. I thought you had to increase with every 4 stitches, but you actually had to increase with every stitch. So I'll have to redo all of this pink. And I'm very happy I'm not very far in my other sleeve, so I can just remove that and restart the pink part. But yeah, I was already convinced they had a mistake in their pattern, but it was my fault, so now I can't blame them at all. And I had a very pleasant experience with the customer service, so I have to give it to them. I'll now continue, like I'll redo the pink part on the second sleeve, and then eventually I'll redo this pink part, so that will add a few more days, which is kind of sad, but hopefully I get it done next week. Guys, this is looking a lot better already. Compared to this was the first sleeve I made. This is the second one. I think this is how it's supposed to be. By the way, this is the sweater I talked about that Marzia influenced me to buy about 10 years ago, and I still wear it. Hi guys, I'm here with a little update on the sweater. Yesterday I did the duplicate stitching on the front and I really love how it turned out. Today I'll probably work on the rest of the embroidery. While Evert is working on the studio space, I'll probably just sit there and work on the sweater and help him when needed. There is one thing that I did wrong, and I don't know if you can see it, and I'll probably ruin it for you, but the top part and the bottom part are like one row too far apart. But I only noticed when I did the last leaf, the last petal, so I just decided to leave it as it is. I think it still looks good, but it actually needs to be a little bit closer, but you know, I think it still looks good. So I'll finish the front of the sweater today, and then we can already start assembling the sweater, which I'm very excited about. It will look so cute. Oh my god guys, the sweater is done and it's so beautiful. I love it a lot. So a little review, the only thing that I found confusing about the pattern was the neckline, because all it said was look up the tutorial on our website for the neckline. I couldn't find the tutorial on the website. The tutorials that I did find were very good though, but it didn't say how many rows it needed, so I just kind of did a thing and I think it turned out so nice. I'm so proud of the results. Another thing, I have a lot of wool left. I even have skeins that didn't get touched at all. So that's kind of nice that I have some remaining wool that I can use in other projects if I'd like to. Yeah, just overall I would give this a 5 out of 5 stars. It was just a very fun experience. It only took me 1 week to make, which is kind of revolutionary for me because usually it takes me more than a month to work on a garment. Yeah, it was kind of stupid that I did the sleeve wrong, but that was my mistake. That wasn't the mistake of We Are Knitters. So overall I would really recommend this kit. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed the video, please like and also comment what you think of this sweater. It's super cute. And I'll see you in the next video. I really hope you have a good day or night. See you in the next video. Bye bye!